Hey veterans, Travis Studdard here. I'm a veterans disability attorney dedicated to helping veterans get the VA benefits that they deserve. Today I want to talk to you about a question that I sometimes get from veterans, which is, do I need your help in pursuing and winning my TDIU claim to get to 100%? You know, a lot of veterans I talk to, I tell them that quite frankly they may not need my help in their VA claim, or simply that, you know, we can't take on their claim at that time. But in a TDIU or individual unemployability situation, those are claims that you really want to consider getting an attorney involved, and I want to go over a few of those reasons with you today, and I may break this up in a couple of different videos. But first, you know, one of the things to think about is why VA looks at TDIU claims so differently than other types of claims, and why an attorney may help you. First, the VA doesn't grant these claims very easily, okay? And whereas they may grant your underlying disability and give you a rating on that, it's less likely that they're going to grant you 100% based on your inability to work because of that disability. And secondly, these claims can be very complex from a factual standpoint and a legal perspective as well, which, of course, in that situation, an attorney may be of great benefit to you. But first off, I want to talk to you about why these claims are so hard to win and how an attorney may make a difference in that claim. So, you know, let's say you have a service-connected disability, all right? You get a rating on that, but VA may not take into account the full effect those disabilities have on your ability to work. And because of that, they deny a large portion of the TDIU claims that are made by veterans. So again, the odds are stacked against you from the get-go when you're seeking TDIU benefits. And you know, if we really want to get down to it, as far as why the VA may do that, a TDIU rating is a 100% rating, okay? And there's a big jump in VA benefits when you go from, say, 70, 80, even 90% up to 100%. To give you an example, if you're rated at 70 and then you prove to VA that your service-connected disabilities prevent you from being able to get a job or keep a job, then you would get a 100% rating, which means if you're single, no dependents, that would be almost $1,600 a month. I think it's $1,572 a month increase from a 70 to a 100% rating. So again, that substantial increase in benefits means that VA is going to take a harder look at it and see if there's a way that they can deny you and not have to pay you on that big increase, okay? So with that, again, the success rate is just going to be less. So how do you overcome that? Well, like I said, the deck is sort of stacked against you, so you have to present a strong case, as strong as possible, to essentially make it impossible for VA to deny. Because again, if they can find a way to deny you, they're going to deny it. So you want to essentially look at your case with a very critical perspective, find every weakness that you can and try to strengthen that so that that's not a basis for VA to deny the claim. And after you've done that, then again, the only reasonable alternative is for VA to grant the 100% rating because the evidence demands that result. So again, an attorney can help identify those weaknesses. They can help you develop the evidence to overcome those. And again, the stakes are so high. Again, from a 70 to a 100, we're talking almost $1,600 a month. And do the math on a year and over the course of your life, and we're talking some substantial money at that point in time. So again, these type claims, TDIU, you really want to think about getting an attorney. It doesn't have to be me. You can find somebody else out there, but seriously look at it and see if you can find one that you would like to work with. In my next video, I'll talk a little bit about some other reasons why an attorney may be helpful as we get into the details of what you have to prove in that claim. Thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Check out our other videos, and also you can subscribe to get those when we produce more. Thanks for watching today.